Hey there! Ever feel like Instagram is munching up your data like a run-of-those hippo? No sweat, I've just got the trick to help you keep those precious gigs in your pocket. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to turn on data saver mode right from your iPhone. Let's jump right in, no time waste. So first things first, grab your iPhone and fire up Instagram. After that, locate your profile icon at the bottom of the screen and give it a tap. Next up, head to the upper right corner and tap on the hamburger menu icon. From the menu that pops up, select Settings and Privacy. Now give your screen a little scroll until you find Media Quality. Once you spot it, tap on it. Now it's time to toggle on Use Less Cellular Data. Voila! Instagram will now start conserving data by showing you compressed images and videos. And there you have it. That's how you activate data saver mode on Instagram straight from your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, why not show that like button some love? And if you're craving more Instagram tips and tricks, smash that subscribe button because we've got plenty more where that came from. Thanks for hanging out. Catch you in the next video. Bye for now.